Hey everybody, Sam back once again, and in today's video, as you can tell, I'm going to show you how you can SIM unlock, carrier unlock, network unlock, all the same thing, your brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max to any carrier network in the world. Let's jump straight into it. Okay, so first things first, this also includes eSIM. So if you are in the USA and your phone is locked, don't worry about it, Sam's got you back. So first things first, what you're going to need is what's called your IMEI. So that's it, your IMEI. There's two ways to get this. The first way is if you get the box, so the box that your phone came in, it needs to be your box. And at the bottom of it, it'll have the IMEI number on there. Put that to one side because you're going to need it in a moment or two. The second way to get it is to go to your dialer. So within your phone, go to your dialer and you want to type *#06#. For my North American friends, that's probably going to be *#06#. So boom, tap it in and you get this. So you get device info. Within device info, you've got your EID, don't need that. You then got the middle one, which is the IMEI number, and then IMEI2. Ignore the second one, it's just the first one you're going to need for today. So again, put your phone to one side or write it down because you're going to need this at the next stage. And at the next stage, I'm going to take you over to the unlockingcompany.com and I'll show you what you need to do. Okay, so here we are on the unlockingcompany.com's website and it's very straightforward. All you want to do is go to manufacturer, click on the device it is. So in this case today, we're doing an Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max. So again, scroll down, find the device it is, click on that. Then all you need to do is click on Unlock Now, which will take you to the next page. Okay, so on this page, as you can see at the top, it's for an unlocking an iPhone 14 Pro Max. And it says select the original network provider. So what it means is the network that it's currently on. So an example, let's say if I was in the United States, and then let's say it's on AT&T. Okay, so an example for today's video will be United States, AT&T, then you want to click Next. And it'll take you to the next part where you need to provide a bit more information. Okay, so in this part, once again, it's telling you what device it's for, what network you've told them it's locked to, and this is where you're going to need that IMEI number that I spoke about. You want to put this one into this pad here, put your name, your delivery email, you could put a telephone number if you want to, but make sure you put the correct email address because they'll email you once it's confirmed. So an example, I'm going to put some details in there and we'll go to the next stage. At the top right hand corner, it will tell you what the price is going to be. So you'll know where it is prior to that and you get average delivery time just here. So an example in this case is between 1 to 48 hours. Okay, so I've just put some quick details in this as an example for you today. And at this point, you click Order Now. So I'm just going to click it on mine. Alright, so here is the final page. So as you can see, we're unlocking an iPhone 14 Pro Max. In this case, let's just say it was locked to AT&T. You'd put in the IMEI number of the actual device, the one I showed you at the beginning, the country that it's purchased from, in this case United States. You'd put your email and your name, and then it tells you the actual price here. Pop in all your details here at the bottom, and then you'll scroll all the way to the bottom and click Order Now. And once you've clicked Order Now, and then you should receive your unlocking confirmation, in this case, between 1 and 48 hours. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the actual phone. I'm going to show you the next step, which is the easiest part of everything. Okay? We'll see you back at the phone. Okay, so welcome back from the unlockingcompany.com. If you're an eSIM customer, just check the email. It'll tell you exactly what you need to do. It's very straightforward. I think it's pretty much just unlocked. Yeah, eSIM's even easier than a normal SIM. There's a first time for everything. But if you'd have a normal SIM card, very straightforward. So you want to take out the SIM card that your phone is currently locked to. So let's say it's carrier A, and you want to use it on this other carrier. You want to put their SIM card inside the phone. So take your SIM card out, put the new SIM card in, turn off the phone, turn it back on, and boom, your phone should be unlocked. If it's not, sometimes just to make it go a bit quicker, hook it up to your PC, and if you're on a PC, you want to use iTunes, just hook it up, it'll update itself for you. Or alternatively, if you're on a Mac, just hook it up, open up Finder, job done, and away you go. And that's it, your phone will then be unlocked to any network, that's it, any network in the world. So, just a quick rundown. You need the IMEI, go to the unlockingcompany.com, follow my instructions or follow the email instructions, boom. You're now unlocked. Yeah, It's that, honestly that easy. If you have any question with regards to this or anything else, you know what to do by now. You can hit me up with a comment down below. Don't forget to smash that like button. Go on, smash, smash, smash. And subscribe. Why? It's free. Honestly, doesn't cost you a penny, a nickel or a dime. Anyway, people, once again, thank you for watching, and you'll see me. Well, you might not see me, but you'll definitely hear me, and you'll see these puppies in my next one. Cheers, everyone.